Finding files which contain a certain string using find, 1, and grep, 1. Find.type fprint exec cat, \grep some string. Command above doesn't print the file path. I'm using Ubuntu, bash 4.
That's because you're feeding grep a stream of text which just happens to contain file names. Since you provided no file names as arguments to grep, it cannot be expected to deduce what file a matched line came from. Use zargs. Since you have new find/zargs, this is a safer way for zargs to read file names. If you only want the file names that have a matching line without showing the matching line,
I use, and it works fast. A more complex use case. To display help on argument I.
I often search for source code in complex folder structures and I find useful using. With those parameters, without using find, I obtain the file full path and the line number that contains the specified string. It is also easy to remember because it bashes through your search like a rhino smile. I will show how this works with a quick example. Let's display the content of a file using cat. And let's search recursively for all the files containing the string ictables p. As you can see in the output, we have filename hit row searched string. Here's a more detailed description of the parameters used. For each directory operand, read and process all files in that directory, recursively. Follow symbolic links on the command line, but skip symlinks that are encountered recursively. Note that if no file operand is given, grep searches the working directory. This is the same as the directories equals recurse option. I ignore case. N prefix each line of output with the one base line number within its input file. N is specified by POSIX. H print the file name for each match. This is the default when there is more than one file to search. O print only the matched, non-empty, parts of matching lines, with each such part on a separate output line. Output lines use the same delimiters as input, and delimiters are null bytes if said, null data, is also used, see other options.
I preferred. Find the file vertical by make grep on finding file, show the full path of the file. Find, type f exec grep some string, okay?
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.